Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Me. I'm back with another video, and y'all, I am so excited about this video. Why? Because I'm gonna use and swatch my Pat McGrath Labs Decadence palette for the first time. Okay y'all, you know, a few months back I got the Decadence palette finally when it was released with the Star Wars collection. So it came in the Star Wars box that's all beat up and that I don't care about. And hopefully you can see this if my lights aren't too bright. But yeah, so this is the palette. It's Pat McGrath and it has Star Wars on it. And it has these colors in it. These are the same colors that were released when it was originally done, like in 2017, okay? So I was so happy. I loved it. I did a video on it. I'll put it up here in the cards. But since then, I've just looked at it.
You have dog with you?
Yeah. I'm recording.
Okay.
Every time.
I mean, you know, well, you need if you're gonna record at certain times when black man trying to walk.
Okay, so y'all, as I was saying before I was interrupted again, I bought this when she released it when that Star Wars movie came out because I was so excited. Well, about a month ago, got the notice that she was gonna re-release it again. And this, because I just wanted the original packaging, right? So I sent her a message saying, can you just buy the packaging? But I didn't get anything back. So what I did is I bought it again so that I can have this gorgeous packaging. And I finally feel like I can play in the Decadence palette. I did not want to touch it. I did not want to. So for this video, I already have my full face done. I'm going to go in. I'm going to swatch this beautiful palette finally. And then I'm going to do a look with this all over the lid using my Sydney Grace eyeshadows. I told y'all, or I did a video, the 10 palettes I would like to keep, and in that video that's what I said. These are the main two that I would keep. I would keep my Pat McGrath Labs Decadence, and I would use, because it's only lid colors, it's only metallics in here, and I would use the Sydney Grace to, you know, for the mattes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you want to see it, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, I have my Decadence palette, and then I have my Sydney Grace singles in here. I'm gonna show you those real quick. These, as I said in that previous video, are dupes for Natasha Denona's Biba, is it Biba? Biba palette, which I have since bought. But these are dupes, but they have, these are all the mattes over here. So those are the colors I'm going to use. These are just a few shimmers that I got, but these are all Sydney Grace eyeshadows, and they are very nice. So let's get started. I'm going to swatch the top row and then the bottom row for you. So let's get started. Remember, this is my first time even touching it. This is that first yellow gold. Oh wow, that's that yellow. Oh, I hope I'm not drowning it out. Oh, I hope. Let me turn these lights down real quick. Okay, here's that yellow gold. Look at that. Let me show you the palette real quick with the lights turned down. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Next to it is a coppery shade. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, wow. That's that coppery shade. Beautiful. This is the purpley shade. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. That's that purpley shade. Oh, y'all. Okay, on the top row, this is that fourth shade, is a lighter gold. Oh. Wow, they feel so good. Oh, my goodness. Y'all don't even know. I hope I'm doing this stuff justice. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Using my favorite makeup wipes. If you want to know what they are, the cards are up here. Okay, the last one on the top row is this blue. Oh. Oh my, look at that. Look at that blue. So that's the complete top row. And I'll put the colors in here so you'll know what they are. Beautiful. All right, coming in on the bottom row. This is that silverish blue looking color. It's like an icy blue. Ooh. I do like that. That was the one color I wasn't sure if I would like. Okay, this is like a, what color is this? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I'm trying, while I'm doing this, I'm like, which color am I going to use? Beautiful. Oh. Okay, now this one is a brownish looking color. Brownish taupe, maybe? Look at that bad boy. Ooh. And they all feel so good, y'all. Actually, it looks a little purple. Looks a little purple. These are all so beautiful. I'm like, how do you, what's in your mind that you can come up with these colors schemes that look so beautiful? You, I don't know. So here come the last two. This one's like a orangey red, or let's see. Yeah, orangey red. Let's see when I swatch it. Whoa, 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 that's pretty. It looked like it got a little shift to it. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's pretty, y'all. It's pretty. I hope y'all can see that. I'm sorry about my swatches. Okay, now here comes the last one. This last one is the taupey color. A taupey color. Y'all, all of these are so pretty. Yeah, that's a taupey. It kind of green. Oh, please let me sit. Okay, yeah. There it is. So that's the taupey color. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. Now I'm going in with the color on my lids. I don't know which one I'm going to choose. I have to decide. Quincy, which one? Here. Oh. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to use my brush. I think you can just use your fingers with these bad boys. Should I use taupe? I never used taupe before, but I like taupe. Okay, I'm used taupe. Here we go. It is going on good with the brush. I don't feel the need to wet it, but I know if I wet it, it's going to be more powerful, okay? I'm actually just covering my entire lid. I wonder if I put that on it and use my finger. No, it's still good. So that's that color. That's just one lid color. That's just one color on my lid. Now, I want to take my Cindy Grace colors and probably, ooh, I got some cool tone ones. So I have no mirror. Like these. This one here, should I buff it out with that? Let's see how it looks. I don't know, that way I like it look. I don't know what I should do next. I think I'm gonna put that purplish gray one on my bottom lash line. What y'all think? What y'all think? I might be doing too much now. My family said I'm good for that. I'm good for doing too much. Let's see. Should I have taken it up further? I don't know. I like it, but I feel like I should have went up further, but we'll see. Well, y'all, this is my finished look. I really like how it turned out. Beforehand, I had already put on some gold highlighter, so I don't know how that's looking. I guess I'll tell when it does the playback, but this is so cute. I'm still getting the hang of eyelashes. I can put them on now. My issue is placement. I don't know how much to cut off and how much to, where to put it in the middle, whatever. But I'm learning, I'm getting there. But yeah, this walk through my eyeshadow palette has been so much fun so far. And this is my favorite eyeshadow, my most coveted eyeshadow palette, and I'm so glad I got the chance to use it today. Okay, y'all, that's it for this video. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and comment if you got anything to say about the look. Good things only. No, just kidding. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in another one.